Guys, with Ethereum and Bitcoin pumping really hard, we are expected to see crypto follow along with it with a massive pump. I'm going to be going over that. I'm also going to be discussing Dogecoin. We're going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, that short period of time when the price is very low. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes doubling or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, guys, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Guys, Dogecoin has been consolidating, trading sideways for a while now. And as you know, when we see it trade sideways for a while, a crypto generally blasts off, breaks out to the upside, and I'm expecting that very soon. Right now, the Dogecoin developers are working on reducing the Dogecoin transaction fee rate. Guys, this is going to cause more mass adoption. Recently, Elon Musk tweeted out to release the Doge. When he did that, it caused the price to go up as well. One of the developers is actually going live on Twitter today to prove that the fee reduction is actually going to work. This is going to instill far more confidence in the whales, in the institutions, in the companies, in the larger investors to put money in. Guys, we're going to be seeing a lot more money pour into Dogecoin with this update. You want to get in before this happens. You want to get in before the mass adoption during these infancy stages. Guys, it's all making sense now. It's all coming together. Why hasn't Tesla already decided to accept Dogecoin officially? Because I think that Elon has been waiting for this fee reduction update all along. I think that's the final thing that'll allow him to make the decision for Tesla to start accepting Dogecoin officially. And when they come out with this news, guys, expect to see Dogecoin easily hitting 40, 50, or 60 cents within a 24-hour time frame. You want to get in before this happens. You don't want to have FOMO and want to buy in on that uptrend. That's not when you want to buy. You want to wait for my trade alert so you get in at that rare time when there's a steep dip. Guys, the name of the developer is Ross Nickel. You can look him up on Twitter. He's actually going to be doing a Twitch live stream later on today, proving that the update will in fact reduce the fees. Guys, when you look at the altcoin season index, you can see it going down, so we're not quite in the season for altcoins right now. Guys, what this means is, while these altcoins have been trading sideways and consolidating, they're just waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum to take off. With this new Ethereum hard fork update that's coming out, expect for the rest of the crypto market to follow along with it and go right on up there. With Bitcoin price so low, with institutions, countries taking it on and accepting it, guys, Bitcoin is expected to see $40,000 very soon as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano are the ones that these institutions have the most confidence in, but expect to see Ethereum blast off far before the others. Guys, the people with paper hands, the smaller retail investors have already gotten out long ago. That's why we're seeing such stability trading sideways. It is normal during the summer for there to be lower trading volume. People are out vacationing, they're relaxing, and they're not focused on the stock market as much. Guys, we are still on a bull run and we are seeing a clear and consistent uptrend when we zoom out on the charts. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you want to trade cryptos tax-free, you can use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Guys, Bitcoin up 7.5% when we look at the coin market cap just within the last 7 days. Just today, Ethereum up almost 6%. Guys, as you've seen on my Patreon, I've been putting out buy alerts for Ethereum constantly. It's at a very low discounted price right now and expected to see $10,000 to $20,000 just by the end of this year, according to a lot of crypto experts. It's been gone for a while now. They got it to that bottom. They made everybody sell out. They're still in the game. However, if you've been holding with diamond hands, guys, more power to you. Never sell for less than you get in for. And with my trade alerts, it allows you to get in at a very low price, so there's only a short amount of time before you see huge profits, just as we've seen time and time again. Guys, you want to be in now before they start pumping really hard. When Ethereum starts to pump, when a lot of these altcoins start to pump really hard, what's going to happen is people are then going to have FOMO. They're going to see the price going up. They're going to wish they never got out, never had paper hands. When they start buying in, guys, a lot of people are then going to start having greed, buying in, having that FOMO. It's going to make the price go up. You don't want to be one of these people. You want to get in before this pump. Guys, I predict and I conjecture that when Bitcoin hits 40,000, when Ethereum breaks 3,000, guys, I think we're going to see some massive pumps and all-time highs like you've never seen before. Guys, we buy at the bottom. We buy at those dips so that we see quick profits. But the people who know no better, the ones with the paper hands, they get scared. They buy at the top, they sell at the bottom. Literally the opposite of what you're supposed to do as a successful day trader. Guys, on the Ethereum charts, we had an inverse head and shoulders. We just broke the neckline. Get ready to see it blast off. We are currently on an uptrend for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're seeing our lows get higher and our highs get higher as well. These are still infancy stages, still great discounts for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We also have Cardano on an uptrend. So wait for my buy alert on that one as well. So even though we've been trading sideways with Dogecoin, we're actually currently forming an ascending triangle, just as you see right here, this triangle, and we're getting more and more green candlesticks, just as I predicted whenever we do get an ascending triangle. Guys, our current level of resistance for Dogecoin is 25 cents. Right when we break that, we'll then have our new level of resistance at 30 cents. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold, there's only a short amount of time, 5-10 minutes to get in. That's when I get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so you guys can buy as well. I then let you guys know when I'm ready to sell at a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.